Howdy, LN. Welcome back. So at my recent training that I attended, I got to work on some rifle to pistol transitions. And I think before even jumping into any of the technique aspect of this, it's worth just having a brief discussion about why. Like, why is this a skill that any of us would want to practice if we are not like military or law enforcement? I think those would be pretty obvious, but for a regular civilian, why is this a skill that you should ever practice ever? It's a good question. It's worth asking because realistically, it probably isn't. Like, I keep a pistol by the bedside for things that go bump in the night. If, like, by some weird chance I ever go to my home defense AR to defend my home, things have gone very, very awry, right? We're talking some kind of civil unrest, something like citywide or whatever is going on that dictates that I'm going to have that thing at the ready. Things have gone really weird. And even more remote chances that I've got the AR and my pistol belt on, and I'm like, why is that happening? The chances of that ever really coming into play are extremely, extremely, extremely remote. Like, probably never a thing I will ever do. So why practice it? Because America. Because I can. Because I want to. And that is really all the reason that I need. But I do get, I get it. This is not something, we need to be training because we're no, not really. There is a possibility if you're getting into certain competitions, run and gun, two gun, tactical fitness games. There are events, competitions where this skill could become useful. So, that's like a whole separate thing that you may want to be practicing for. But generally speaking, I get that, this isn't something like I feel should be really high on your list of priorities of things that you're training. However, there will be one tip kind of at the end here that I do feel like is probably worth holding on to, even if you have no intention of ever running and gunning or so. Anyway. All right, so we've got our AR. There's a chamber flag in it indicating that there's no live ammo in the chamber. And we will remove that. Double check the bolt face. The mag well is empty. Go ahead and call this safe and clear. All right. And I have one AR magazine, and it is empty. So what I see a lot on the social media, YouTube, Instagram, whatever, are people doing rifle or carbine to pistol transitions without any actual stimulus that would be telling you to make the transition. So just in theory, why are we transitioning from our long gun to our sidearm? The only acceptable answer is that this has stopped working. It might be out of ammo or it might be a malfunction. For whatever reason, you have pulled the trigger, nothing happened. You don't have time to reload a magazine. You're going to go to your sidearm and execute, right? That is the thinking behind practicing this drill. But what you see a lot of people doing is just bang, 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 and then they put it on safe and they transition because they're practicing the motion of the transition instead of the why of the transition. The why should be this had a click and not a bang. So we can replicate that scenario two different ways. One would be just load 2 or 3 or maybe 4 rounds in your magazine so that you load it, you chamber around, you're going to come up and you're going to get a bang, a bang, a bang, and then you're going to feel bolt lock, right? The bolt's going to lock back. You can check, ooh, I'm empty. I need to go to my handgun, right? Like there's a why there, and there's a stimulus telling you when it's time to make that happen. The other way would be have one round in your magazine, insert it, drop the bolt so that you have chambered one round, then remove the magazine. So that way, when you come up, you're going to get a bang. The bolt will cycle, pinning the trigger back, and then you will get a click. Now, that click might be a double feed, some kind of malfunction, a stovepipe, whatever you got going on. This isn't working. Now you transition to your handgun. In either drill, there's an actual thing dictating transition instead of just you making it up in your head. Right? Okay. All right, and the technique tip. So you just watched me in that previous segment. However many times I lowered my AR, I just dropped it. And in a given scenario, maybe that's the go-to move, but a just slightly preferable way to do that is to train in the muscle memory of bang, 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 something has happened, my rifle is no longer working, grab it right here at the magwell. You could even maybe work on it from out here, but real solid way, grab it right here in front of the magwell, drop it, turn your stock around yourself, and just slide it over. You can be doing them almost simultaneously. So it's bang, 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 something's wrong. As I'm lowering, I'm drawing, I come up and present. And what this does is it gives me knees. I have nothing in front of me obstructing my ability to run if I need to. It gets it nice and out of the way over here, and I'm not knocking myself in the junk with my handguard, right? So that's your little pro tip. Put these together. Practice when you're doing your at-home ninja LARPing or getting ready for whatever event you are training for or whatever. That's all I got for today. Until next time, be easy, y'all.